Hello, my name is Alexandros Kalantzis, and I am a construction project manager at Survey Digital Photovoltaics. Today I would like to make an independent review of the Huawei string inverters manufactured by Huawei, which our company used in industrial rooftop PV project. Our impression of Huawei string inverters are excellent. They are high-quality products, distinguished by their reliability, advanced technology, and a user-friendly interface, which significantly simplifies operation and system management. Huawei string inverters are characterized by exceptional efficiency and high-end yield, ensuring maximum power consumption. Huawei string inverters are characterized by exceptional efficiency and high energy yield, ensuring maximum power conversion and optimal system performance. Regarding the terms of reliability and durability, I'll have to say that we are talking about very durable and reliable devices. We have installed the system in a high demand in the industrial environment, and the equipment is fully lived up to its reputation regarding reliability and durability. We have zero problems since now, and this is not going to change in the next years. They feature a highly detailed user interface, allowing for easy navigation and efficient system management. In addition, the advanced telemetry and monitoring capabilities provide comprehensive real-time data, enabling precise performance analysis, proactive maintenance, and optimized operational control. If I have to speak from my own experience, Huawei string inverters have a very more operator-friendly environment regarding to the web UI, the whole menu, the commissioning process that can make all this process easy to anyone to install and make a monitoring system operational. Based on feedback we had heard from third parties in the past, there had previously been an issue related to the zero feed-in system. However, this matter was addressed and resolved, and it no longer represents a concern in current installations, reflecting Huawei's commitment to continuous improvement and product optimization. The price of these inverters is quite competitive regarding to other manufacturers, and this is the reason that besides the high quality, we decided to use this manufacturer. Our main goal is quality more than the pricing of a product, but in this case, Huawei inverters can combine both high quality standards and very competitive prices. Huawei offers an excellent after-sales support team, providing prompt, professional and effective assistance. In addition, the company maintains a transparent commercial policy with no hidden costs, ensuring clarity, trust, and long-term confidence for partners and clients. If we had not selected Huawei, our alternate choices would be Sangro or Goodway, both of which we have worked with in the past. These manufacturers offer comparable technical specifications and consistently high standards of quality and performance, making them reliable options within the same professional tier. My score for installation and usability in terms of installation and usability will be 4. In terms of performance and reliability will be 5. In terms of build quality and durability will be 4. Value for money will be again 4. In terms of overall satisfaction will be 4 to 5.